Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike Ace Summerlite. So let's just take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike Ace Summerlite women's golf shoes, and this pair is in the UK size 3.5, US size 6, Euro size 36.5, and it's in the white, light thistle, hyper pink, Concord colourway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by flipping up the box lid to reveal the contents inside. And let's peel back the wrapping paper to reveal the Nike Ace Summerlite. And let's lift out the left shoe and focus on it first. So giving you a look at the left shoe of the Nike Ace Summerlite and doing a 360 rotation, so you have a full and clear view of the shoe. And just setting the box to the side as we focus on this left shoe first. So giving you some close-up looks at this left shoe of the Nike Ace Summerlite in the white, light thistle, hyper pink, Concord colourway. And as you can see, the golf shoe has a mesh upper construction with somewhat rectangular weave pattern or texture for its upper cover. And taking a look at the other aspects of the shoe and giving you a look from the back. And some even closer up looks at the overall design of this Nike Ace Summerlite. And taking a look from the front to the back, or from the tip of the shoe to the back. And around the inside of the shoe. So as you can see, it does have a very thin tongue with the simple Nike swoosh logo on it, and the tongue has a micro suede texture, as you can see from the very fine surface and super short nap of the material. And taking a look around the ankle collar of the shoe, so it does have a tapered padding around the ankle all the way back to the heel where it's thickest. So giving you a look at that foam padding that's around the ankle and heel collar. And let's pop out the paper stuffing so you have a better look inside the shoe. And as you can see, it does have a Fitsole insert in it. And just giving you a look once again, much closer in this time, at the overall details. And you can see it does have a very smooth lining or cover on the inside. And now let's take a look at the sole or underside of the shoe. So as you can see, it does have a very interesting blade-like or teeth-like traction pattern that sticks out or protrudes from the overall flat surface of the shoe. And taking a much closer in look and giving you some sense of the texture and firmness or softness of the outsole. So just dragging my finger along, and of course trying to bend those teeth-like blades or saw-like blades that make up the grip surface of the shoe. So you can see right there. So it's kind of like a stiff rubber in design for its sole. And giving you a look at the midsole as well, with the very glossy textured white design, as you can see with the light playing off its surface and just pressing down. So firm and bouncy, as you can see, just pressing down with my thumbs. On that midsole. And now let's do a flexibility bend and twist test with my hands to give you some idea of the softness or firmness of the shoe. And now let's take a look at the right shoe. So setting the left shoe down and moving the box back into the middle of the frame. And popping out the right shoe. So this time around, taking a look at the left shoe of the Nike Ace Summerlite in the white light Thistle hyper pink Concord colourway. And once again, this time doing a 360 rotation with the right shoe. And taking some close-up looks. So we see that breathable mesh upper cover, of course the overall details with some fancy round tube-like laces. Of course the inside as well with the Fitsole insert and micro suede lining. And of course those very aggressive looking blade-like or teeth-like traction pattern or grip pattern of the shoe on the bottom of the outsole. And now let's take a look at the pair together, side by side. And from the front to the back. And at the back as well. And of course the underside or bottoms or sole of the pair of women's golf shoes. So that's the Nike Ace Summerlite. Thanks for watching and happy golfing!